A boat named Deir Yasin departed late Monday, Sept 15th, from the port of Sidi Bouzid in Tunisia to join the Gaza-bound Global Sumud Flotilla, organizers said. The boat, part of the Maghreb Sumud convoy, is carrying humanitarian aid and aims to challenge Israel's blockade of the Gaza Strip. It is one of the latest ships to set sail in the international campaign, which includes multiple boats heading toward Gaza. The flotilla brings together some 50 vessels carrying hundreds of activists from across the world. It marks the first time such a large fleet has set out together toward Gaza, after previous attempts by individual ships were intercepted by Israel. Israel has imposed a blockade on Gaza for the past 18 years. Nearly 1.5 million of the enclave's 2.4 million residents are now homeless after almost 2 years of relentless bombardment. The Israeli army has continued a brutal offensive on the Gaza Strip, killing nearly 65,000 Palestinians since October 2023. The military campaign has devastated the enclave, which is facing famine. Israel also faces a genocide case at the International Court of Justice for its war on the enclave.
It's a walk in the park. There may be mountains in the park. There may be hills in the park. There may be sand where you sit. But at the end of the day, a walk in the park is still a walk in the park. Free Palestine.
اللهم إنا نعوذ بك من وعثاء السفر
اللهم إنا نعوذ بك من وعثاء السفر
ومن كآبة المنظر ومن سوء المنقلب في المال والأهل ومن سوء مناظر جنود الكيان الصهيوني
We never give up on you. We love you, and we love everybody who supports us. So whether we are sailing or whether we are on the ground, this is like one big family. This is the true essence.
Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine!
عبر أسطول الصمود ويا حكام الذل والعار
نحن نتوجه في سفينة دير ياسين. نحن فداء لكل الشهداء، نحن فداء لكل الدماء التي سكبت في فلسطين. نتوجه بصدور عارية بمسؤولية كبيرة لكسر الحصار.